Hi,
Hi,
I'm Bob,
I'm Bob too.
and we're going to show you a new game. It's called what's the
Rolling
game?
Lines.
Rolling Lines. It's all about trains, and Nathan loves it because
Yep.
he loves trains, right?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. It's a model train set game.
Yep.
Pretty sweet.
Yep.
Lots of stuff. All right. So it goes through a wall magically. It's a magic game that allows trains to go through walls, right? Going through that wall.
What wall?
It's going through a magical wall. Look at it.
No, it's not.
It's going right through a wall.
This game has no physics.
No physics.
There's no weight. There's no gravity.
No physics. No gravity.
There's only physics.
Then why is the train on the tracks? Why isn't it floating off into space?
Because
gravity.
that's how it works. If you put a track like up there, it won't fall. It'll stay up there.
Okay. So,
Let's get some little
model rolling line. I see there's a magazine there. Huh, that's interesting. Can we show them something different? You gotta, like,
I'm trying to make a train. I'm looking for something.
there's lots of nice trains. Hazardous nuke, reactor, steamy. Police department diesel, how about that?
You know what? We're gonna get some police.
I wonder how popular this game is. How many people play it?
I don't know.
Like millions and millions? It's pretty sweet for a train motor. Okay. You gotta explain what you're doing if you're gonna keep people interested.
I'm making a train so people can go to prison. Alright, and then let's go back. And this is my back car, by the way.
Yeah. So if someone tries to jump off the train and get away from prison, now we're inside the train.
Whoa, buddy, you're going. Wait, I never.
All aboard!
Eh, I'll just give it this one.
Whoa. This is interesting. My eye itches. Like there's some sand on the tracks there. You see that?
That's snow.
Snow. It's Pasadena, Los Angeles. Los Angeles.
It's in.
There's no snow there, man. Look at the palm trees. That's sand. Biff, biff, biff.
It's Santa Fe in the snow.
Then you got something bad wrong with your train set. Ain't no snow in Los Angeles. Where there's palm trees.
Palm trees live in snow, I thought.
Nope, they die in snow.
Oh, too bad it's winter. Box, box, box. I'm looking. How about in here?
I love the horn, it's good.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
I just got this boxcar for this one.
I never even saw that kind of train. R. Don't know what that one is. I wonder what the R is. There goes like an Amtrak one. Passenger car.
No, that's not Amtrak. That's Santa Fe.
Oh, Santa Fe. Okay. Looks like looks like a passenger though.
It is. But that's actually not Santa Fe. I have an actual Santa Fe. That's not Santa Fe. Santa Fe. That's not Santa Fe. This is Santa Fe.
Oh, gotcha.
See it?
Yep.
That's Santa Fe.
Okay. Sounds like a plan, Stan.
Dad, don't say that or we won't get
Plan, Stan?
Shh.
We're not allowed to use someone's name. Alright, you gotta explain something about this video, make it interesting.
Well, I'm trying to make this. I'm trying to make a diesel, a blue den ding. Daddy, got the phone.
So this is a game if anyone likes trains, which Nathan happens to love trains. And we learned a new word, livery, right? I never knew that word before.
Me neither.
Livery. That's the skins of a train. Or livery is
Well, is that an
a word
actual
that means the look and feel for a company. The Santa Fe livery, Cheesy System livery,
I got it.
Thomas the Tank Engine. What you get?
There actually are. I've looked in the like livery things, and there's so many Thomas liveries.
Yeah. Maybe Thomas made this game famous. I don't know.
No, I'm pretty sure Frankenstein's.
It'll magically go through the wall.
The
Snow.
only physics that has is when trains crash. And when they crash, they all of a sudden have physics, like I can go through it, but when it crashes,
What? Tell me, what is physics?
I-
What is physics? to you?
nothing can go through.
Our faces are all white in the video. It's like we can change the lighting. Curious what an 8-year-old thinks about physics. What's your favorite thing about physics?
Gravity.
Gravity? Yeah, that is part. You know who figured out how gravity works? You know his name?
Johnny Appleseed.
Nope.
Forgot.
Sir Isaac Newton.
All right, I see.
He actually invented calculus too. Probably one of the smartest people ever to live. Okay.
I'm going.
Yeah, it was pretty cool inside. I think we gave everyone an overview. So let's see. Let's end things here, and we got to remember to say like and subscribe, right?
Yep. Like and subscribe if you want this to turn into a series. And that's it.
That's it. Nate wants to do YouTube videos, so
Like
we're doing
and
YouTube videos.
subscribe for
Bug
more
games.
videos.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. There you go.
Stop recording.